Motorola Edge 70 versus Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Starting with the display, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge boasts a slightly larger 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with a higher resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and an impressive 513 ppi density. This means sharper images and smoother visuals at 120 Hz refresh rate, plus HDR10 Plus support for vibrant colors. Motorola Edge 70's 6.67-inch POLED is no slouch, but its lower resolution and pixel density make the Galaxy's display stand out for those craving the absolute best viewing experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge runs on the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3nm process, delivering superior CPU performance with high clock speeds and an Adreno 830 GPU for top-tier graphics. The Edge 70 uses the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 on 4nm, still powerful but clearly a step below for those who demand flagship-level speed and gaming prowess. In features, Motorola's Edge 70 shines with AI-powered battery optimization and a smart AI shortcut button, plus a silicon-carbon battery for longer life and 68-watt fast charging. Meanwhile, Samsung packs in vapor chamber cooling, Galaxy AI tools like Drawing Assist, and an audio AI eraser that elevates user experience in creative and audio tasks. Both bring unique AI-driven perks, but the Edge 70's battery tech is a game-changer for endurance. When it comes to cameras, the Galaxy S25 Edge dominates with a staggering 200MP main sensor that captures ultra-detailed photos and supports 8K video recording. The Edge 70's dual 50-megapixel setup is solid, but nowhere near the S25 Edge's sheer resolution and video capabilities, making the Samsung the clear winner for photography enthusiasts. Samsung also leads with advanced camera features like a pro visual engine with AI zoom and multi-directional PDAF for precision focus, plus 2x optical quality zoom. The Edge 70 offers AI scene detection and night vision modes, which are great but don't match the S25 Edge's professional-grade photographic tools. Battery capacity is where Motorola's Edge 70 takes the lead, with 4800 mAh versus Samsung's 3900 mAh, promising longer usage on a single charge, a crucial factor if you're always on the go and can't afford to recharge frequently. In build quality, the Galaxy S25 Edge impresses with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 front, Gorilla Victus 2 back, and a titanium frame, offering premium durability and a luxurious feel. The Edge 70 uses Gorilla Glass 7i front, but opts for a plastic back and frame, making it lighter but less premium. Regarding resistance, Motorola's Edge 70 is IP68, IP69 rated, and MIL STD 810H compliant, meaning it's dust-tight, water-resistant even to high-pressure jets, and rugged enough for tough conditions. The Galaxy S25 Edge is IP68 rated and ultra-thin at 5.8mm, but lacks the MIL STD certification, focusing more on sleekness than extreme durability. Both phones offer identical memory options, with 256GB or 512GB storage, paired with 12GB RAM, so no compromises there, whether you choose Motorola or Samsung. Price-wise, the Motorola Edge 70 comes in more affordable, between $800 and $950, while the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge commands a premium at $1,099, reflecting its top-tier specs and build. So, is the extra cost worth the leap in camera, display, and materials?